Very good morning, children. Welcome to the today class. Today we are going to discuss about exercise 8.2 first problem. These are all based on trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. So here the first and second and third sums along with the table also given in this on the blackboard. So once you have to verify, I am going to explain the first, second, third sums from exercise 8.2. Chapter 8, exercise 8.2. Just evaluate the following. Here the first problem it is sin 60 cos 30 degrees plus sin 30 degrees into cos 60 degrees. This is the table is given here, it is for your reference. Sin 60 degrees. What is the sin 60 degrees here now? This is sin 0, 30, 45, 60. Sin 60 equals to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 cos 30. Cos 30 means root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 degrees. Sin 30 degrees value 1 by 2 into cos 60. Cos 60 also 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. Therefore, square root of 3 by 2 into square root of 3 by 2. That means square root of 3 whole square by 2 into 2, 4 plus 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2, 4. Therefore, square root get cancelled. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Here the LCM is the same. 4 is the LCM. Therefore, 3 plus 1 equals to 4. Therefore, 4 by 4 get cancelled. One answer. The first one answer is therefore sin 60 into cos 30 plus sin 30 degrees into cos 60 equals to 1 answer. When we are coming to the second problem, 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 60 degrees. 2 into tan 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees is 1. 1 square plus cos 30 degrees. Cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2. Square root of root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin 60 value. Sin 60 value root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 whole square. The children, here 1 square means 1 over 2 into 1. Here this is the square root of 3 by 2 whole square. Square root of 3 whole square means 3 by 4. Here also 3 by 4. Square root of 3 whole square means 3. 2 square means 4. Plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 get cancelled. Therefore equals answer is 2. Therefore 2 into tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60 equals to 2. This is the second problem solution. When we are coming to the third sum, cos 45 degrees by secant 30 degrees plus cosecant 30 degrees. Cos 45 degrees value 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. 1 by square root of 2 by secant 30. Secant 30 means this is the secant value 30 degrees. 30 degrees means 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 plus cosecant 30. Here cosecant 30 value is the 2 plus 2. So when we are substituting the values, then we have to simplify the problem. So here 1 by square root of 2 by 2 plus root 3 into 2 LCM. 2 into root 3. 2 root 3 by root 3. This is the numerator part. 1 by root 2 into, we have to write on the denominator part into the reciprocal. Root 3 by 2 plus 2 root 3. So in this 2 plus 2 root 3 in the denominator part, 2 is the common term. 1 by root 2 as it is, square root of 3 by 2 common means, what is the balance? 2 into 1, 2. 2 into plus, 2 into root 3, 2 root 3. That's why 2 common, 1 plus root 3. Here 1 by root 2 and root 3. Here it is the 1 plus root 3 rationalizing factor. 1 plus root 3 rationalizing factor, what is the r into f? In the 9th class it was there. So in that 1 plus square root of root 3 rationalizing factor is the 1 minus root 3. So we have to take the rationalizing factor, multiply the denominator and numerator. This is 1 by root 2 as it is, root 3 as it is, and 2 plus 1 plus root 3 as it is. The rationalizing factor of this one is 1 minus root 3. 1 minus root 3 into 1 minus root 3. For the numerator denominator we have to multiply the rationalizing factor. When we are coming here 1 by root 2 into, here is a root 3, 1 minus root 3, you have to multiply root 3 into 1. Root 3 into root 3 means 3. That is root 3 whole square. Square root can cancel 3 bases. by 2 into a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b formula, a square minus b square formula. A square means 1 square minus b square means root 3 whole square. Therefore 1 by root 2 into root 3 into minus 3 by 2 into 1 square means 1 only, square and root 3 cancel. 3 it is 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 means how much is minus 2. Therefore 1 by root 2 into the square root of root 3 minus 3. 2 into 1 minus 3 means minus 2 into 2 minus 4. This is again 1 by 2. Here again the denominator part we have the rational number. What is the rational number here? Square root of 2. Again we have to go for the rationalization. Square root of 2 rationalization is square root of 2 only. Square root of 2 by square root of 2. With the rationalizing factor we have to multiply with the numerator and denominator. What is the rationalizing factor of square root of 2? Square root of 2 only. That we have to multiply with the. This is as it is. Square root of 3 minus 3 by minus 4. 1 into square root of 2. Square root of 2. Square root of 2 into square root of 3. Square root of 6. Square root of 2 into 3. 3 into square root of 2. By here square root of 2 into square root of 2, how much it is? 4. Sorry, 2 square root of 2 into square root of 2. 2 into minus 4. That is the, just you have to write this is the wrong. This is 2. 2 into minus 4 minus 8. Therefore you have to take the minus common from the numerator part. Minus of 3 into square root of 2 minus square root of 6. Multiply minus 3 into square root of 2 minus 3 into square root of 2 minus into minus plus. Minus common from the numerator part. 2 into minus 4 minus 8. Minus minus get cancelled. Therefore the given problem cos 45 degrees by secant 30 plus cosecant 30 equals to 3 into square root of 2 minus square root of 6 by 8. So once you have to read all the trigonometric values table and you have to substitute first, second, third sums. These are the solutions of first 3 sums. So one by one you can solve that one. The homework will be in the WhatsApp group. Thank you. Have a nice day.